masyado mabingi yata ang recording. Doon na lang ako.
Hello? Ah. Saan ka na? Oh. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ingat, bye. Okay, bye. Yung shot hat, yung ex-girlfriend ni Matt Villasherry, palagi she's trying to, like on the Facebook. Ay, talaga?
Yeah, I mean,
Sa'yo, ikaw?
That's why I knew her. Wala! Ay!
Ba't may makasa kang wala? Sa atin talaga. Ano yun? Nag-ano sa'yo pa?
Yeah, like, parang trying to get friends,
Sino yun? Yung payat? Yung puti? Hi, Bambino.
Defense! Wala! Woohoo! Frenchie! Over here!
Don't go outside, baby,
Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Wait. Wala! Oh, shit. Just don't get hurt, huh? Like, stand right up. Wala! Woo! Who's winning? So sorry. Yeah. Okay, somebody's bone.
Hi. Both of them probably.
Mabuhong.
It's mine.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm sick. What happened to the wall?
Nothing, that's what it is. Wala! Kasi wala! Defense! Woo! Wala! Woo!
Defense!
Woo! Defense, yeah. Wala, meaning no shoot, no shot. Parang sila.
Do you know what wala? No shoot. It means no. No shoot. No shoot. Like no shooting. It means no. Well, that means no.
Wala. I'm losing my voice again.
Hello, Patrick.
Wala.
Say
wala.
You
Say wala. Say wala. Wala. Okay, now you gotta say shoot. Shoot the ball. But don't yell. Shoot. No, don't say that. That's offense.
But the blue team has the ball, we say
If the blue team has the ball, you say defense!
Defense!
Patrick, can you sit down, please?
Go ahead, defense! 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 Wala!
Shoot kayo, shoot kayo.
What's the birthday box?
Papasok ba? Oh. Sige na, pasok na.
Defense! Woo! Yay!
Orange team is winning. Whose team is winning?
Shoot. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball.
Orange win. Orange win. Orange win.
Who did that? Wow.
Oh, good boy.
Sino ba? Si Jay. Jay's good.